Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Play Games data to Game Center. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these steps. So basically, in many ways or if in some devices, you can just go to the games of your your mobile phone, and then go here to settings by clicking on the three dot icon. And here you will find a section of privacy or data and privacy, and then you can sign in automatically to your games. And basically, this will be or will automatically make or transfer your data to any device where you sign in with the account. Otherwise, you can just simply do it manually for each game. So whenever you are playing on a game on an iOS phone, and probably it will have the option to synchronize your account or your game with many accounts. Either Facebook, you can connect it with Facebook, Google, and of course your game center. And basically, if you connect it with your Google, it will probably and it will surely retrieve the data and retrieve the data from your Google account and make it or transfer it to the game center. Otherwise, there is another option is by moving all your data or your data, Android data to your iOS phone. So basically, there is this application which is by Apple, of course, and you will need just to set up this application. So basically, the first thing after downloading this iOS or the name is moved to iOS, and you will need just to click on continue. Make sure that your phone is connected on the same Wi-Fi or the same network of your Android phone, and then you will get these a code. You will need just to have to enter this code from your iOS device, and then you will just set it up something like that. It will start connecting with your iOS device, and basically it's not my iOS code, and it will make you able to transfer your data. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.